Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the parking brake control module on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, guys. Why? Because it could be quite simple fix. After that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The parking brake control module fuses relays. Most people will assume, guys, that they're in a fuse box that's under the hood. That's a fuse box that's easily accessible and most people know about. It's the one that when you face the engine, it's on the right side, okay, right here. It will be usually covered with that cover, but when you pull it out, that's what it looks like. For big surprise, those fuses are not there. You wonder where. Well, we need to come inside the vehicle. On the left side of the steering wheel, under the steering wheel on the left side, you have a fuse box hidden behind the panel. You have hidden relays as well. Guys, by the way, okay, we have a special video that's called VW Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and teach you where your hidden fuses and relays are located as well. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test the fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here specifically we need to check 3 fuses, then we'll talk about the relay part as well. The fuse numbers will be listed right under the little fuses here. We need to check first fuse number 15, that fuse right here. Okay, if I come on this side, this fuse. 15 is the first fuse. Then guys, we need to check fuse number 44 right here. Okay, check that fuse 44, and you may have another one that's known as fuse number 50 right there. Both of those are 25 amp fuses, 50 and 44 right here. What about the relays? You don't have specific relays for that, but what we'll recommend, guys, check fuses relays for the ABS brake control module, because these systems work together. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have video on the channel that will teach you that. Check it out, our mission is to save you as much money as we can. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.